One of the complaints that we hear from our customers is that they get a lot of variation from batch to batch from their paint suppliers. And so in 2012, we undertook a study to see if that was true. And we brought multiple batches of paint to the same temperature and tested them under the same conditions. And what we found was there were very, very small variations. The biggest variations come from supplier to supplier, age, and temperature of the batch. We published those results in Coil World in 2012. And we find this to be true because modern batch control was developed in the dairy and pharmaceutical industries. It is very carefully controlled. I mean, imagine if every batch of baby aspirin had a different dosage in it. How would that go over? So we find that batches are consistent coming out of the supplier's lab. The problem is that we bring those into our facility and then we test their viscosity, usually with little regard for temperature. And so we don't compensate for the variations in viscosity caused by those changes in temperature. And then we make viscosity adjustments based on bad measurements.